Friends, myself Dr. P. Nitya, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. In this class, we are going to discuss about industrial chemistry. First, we are going to see about fuel gases. First, the definition of fuel gases. Fuel gas is any one of a number of fuels under ordinary conditions or gaseous. Many fuel gases are composed of hydrocarbons such as methane or propane, hydrogen or carbon monoxide or mixtures thereof. These gases are sources of potential heat energy or light energy. Next one, calorific value of fuels. The calorific value of fuel is the quantity of heat produced by a given mass of fuel on complete combustion. In the SI system, it is measured in kilojoules per kilogram, and in CGS units, it is in calories per gram. The calorific value is an important criteria of all fuels. Next one is, what are the requisitions of good fuel? It should be high heat content, that is high calorific value. It should not produce undesirable byproducts, ash, smoke, etc. It should be cheap. Next one, types of fuels. Fuels are classified into three types. They are solid fuels, liquid fuels, and gaseous fuels. Let's see one by one. First one, solid fuel. Commonly used solid fuels in our country are firewood, charcoal, coal, agricultural wastes, paraffin, and tallow. Burning of these fuels often produces a lot of smoke and ash, which in turn can cause respiratory diseases. Then the second one is liquid fuel. Liquid fuels are made from petroleum, distilled thin liquids like kerosene, petrol, and spirit are used in homes and road vehicles, whereas thick residual oils like diesel are used to run heavy road vehicles and in factories. Kerosene is a product of petroleum. It is mainly used as a cooking fuel for domestic purposes. It is also used to run road vehicles. Then the last one is gaseous fuels. Gaseous fuels are used as domestic as well as industrial purpose. Some important gaseous fuels are water gas, natural gas, producer gas, liquefied petroleum gas. Of the three types of fuels, gaseous fuels are the best because that can be readily lighted, do not leave ash, do not produce smoke, can easily flow through pipes and tubes, and have high calorific value. Next, water gas. It is nothing but mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. It contains 40 to 50 percentage hydrogen, 3 to 7 percentage of carbon monoxide, and 4 to 5 percentage of nitrogen. It is prepared by passing steam, that is water, over red hot coke. Its calorific value is high, so its flame is short and hot. It is used for welding purposes. This gas is poisonous and colorless, so strongly smelling substances like mercaptans are added to it. It is a source of industrial hydrogen. It is used in the manufacture of methyl alcohol. Water gas is much better fuel because both hydrogen and carbon monoxide of water gas are combustible. Then the second one is producer gas. Producer gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen. It contains 35% of carbon monoxide and 65% of nitrogen. It is obtained by burning coke in a limited supply of air. Carbon is first oxidized to carbon dioxide, which is then reduced to carbon monoxide. The first reaction is exothermic, while the second reaction is endothermic. It is poisonous in nature, heavier than air, and insoluble in water. This gas has a lower calorific value and the temperature of its flame is low. The gas is mainly used as gaseous fuel in various metallurgical and other industrial operations. It is also used to run gas engines, but it is not such a good fuel as water gas because it also contains nitrogen gas which does not burn. This slide shows the differences between water gas and producer gas. Next one, liquefied petroleum gas. That is nothing but LPG. It is composed of those hydrocarbons which are gaseous at normal atmospheric pressure but may be condensed to liquids at a normal temperature by the application of moderate pressure. These hydrocarbons are propane, butane, isobutane, and butylene. Commercial LPG consists of mixtures of two or more these hydrocarbons. LPG is prepared from wet natural gas and refinery gas. It is also obtained as a byproduct during the cracking of heavy oils or from natural gas. It is a highly volatile liquid and it has the calorific value of about 27,800 kilocalories per meter cube. LPG is dehydrated, desulfurized and traces of odorous. So, organic sulfide, that is nothing but mercaptan, is added to give warning of gas leak. It is supplied under pressure in containers under the trade name of Indian, Bharat gas, etc. Next one is gobar gas. It is the fuel obtained by fermentation of a mixture of cattle dung and water inside a circular pit in the absence of air. The bacteria in the dung bring about the fermentation. A gobar gas plant is a device to convert cattle dung and other organic water into biogas and a good quality of manure. Gobar gas or any biogas can be used for cooking, heating water, lighting purpose and to run stationary diesel engines. Gobar gas is safe to use since it is less likely cause an explosion. The biogas produced by the gobar gas plant is clean and odorless and can be transported wherever needed. It mainly consists of methane and little ethane. Next one, natural gas. Natural gas is mixture of gaseous hydrocarbons, mainly methane. It is the cheapest available gaseous fuels. The composition of natural gas varies with the source. It consists the first 6 alkanes. The percentage of hydrocarbon decreases with an increase in molecular weight. Other gases such as water vapor, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfide may also be present. Natural gas occurs in association with or without petroleum. This gas is carried by a network of pipelines from the field to the factory or wherever needed. It is an excellent fuel. and it is the most valuable natural resources in the world. Then classification of natural gas. It can be classified into two types. First one is dry and second one is wet natural gas. This slide shows the composition and properties of dry natural gas and wet natural gas. Next one is uses of natural gas. It is used for making of water gas. It enriching the gaseous fuels of low calorific value. It is used for the production of methyl chloride and methyl alcohol. Thank you.